G'day guys, quick video on the alternator trigger wire here on these Audis. So when I do these water pumps, I've noticed, I always think someone's back probed on the alternator. Just about there on the wire, you'll see a little bit of gold through it. And in the past, I've put a bit of sealant on them. But when you're doing the water pump, this is the third one it just falls off as you move the loom that way and that way. So you've got a weak spot in the harness there. Not good quality wiring, obviously. So all you got to do, get your Amazon depinning kit, right? Find the right one and just slide this. You slide this thing back, the orange one, put the depin tool in onto the wire. Okay, the green one's not used. All right, avoid taking the rest of the wire off or the blue thingamajiggy, weather seal, leave it there, okay? Make a nice tight solder, put your heat shrink onto the wiring first. Check that the heat shrink will actually make it past everything. And there's other ways to solder. You can split both wires and connect them absolutely perfectly. But in this situation, I've twisted them together and just swung it back. That's how I've chosen to do it here. I don't need two runs here. I don't need problems. And plus, in this situation, soldering it like that is going to keep the heat away. If you try and do it the other way, which is like perfectly, I think you're going to land in trouble here. And then you slide this obviously back over the wire. So more about a video, just be aware of that. And if your alternator light's on after you do a water pump or someone, it's likely going to be this wire's broken through. Even when they look like they're not going to break, they'll break. So you'll see a bit of gold. And yeah, anyway, that goes on the back of the alternator. Don't forget to lock the orange harness lock back in. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.